Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to create a new Jupyter Notebook. In the previous video we learned how to invoke the Jupyter Notebooks. So if you have a git bash command, you basically go and type Jupyter Notebook and it opens the Jupyter Notebook for you. So you can see Jupyter Notebook is open, and here you go to new, and because I've got Python 2 installed, it picks that up and I just click on that. And what it does is it creates a new kernel. So this is a new Jupyter Notebook, and you can type your code here. Like, let's try hello world and hit enter. So in Windows, to execute a command, you have to type control and enter. So you do that and you get hello world. And we can name our Jupyter Notebook. We can call it my and it gets saved. And to save this, what you need to do is you can go here and you can say save and checkpoint, or you can also use Control S in Windows. So as you can see, it has just saved it for me. So in this video, we learned how to create our first Jupyter Notebook, and then we printed or executed our first piece of code, which was basically a hello world. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Thank you.